Good morning, all. This is Kathy from KathysForex.com. I'm not going to be having a live trade today. I got a bunch of stuff to do for my other business, which is social media marketing. So I will be doing only forecast today. I will show you daily forecast on different pairs that I will be trading, or I'm in the trade already. The first pair I'm going to show you guys is pound New Zealand. I entered this pair, let's see, about, I think it was like half an hour ago. About, yes, half an hour ago I entered this pair at 2 point, right here, 2.0136. My target with this pair is, let me see, is about 225 pips, and my stop loss is also 200 pips. That not necessarily I will get out at that 200 pips. This is just for platform, not going after my stop loss. So keep that in mind. I'm trading this off daily chart. So with that said, let's see what else. Other pairs I'm looking at. Let's see. I'm watching all pound pairs. They have an election coming up in on Thursday. That is a very important election. We are less than 48 hours away from this election, so it is important to watch these pairs carefully. If you are going to trade pound with any pairs, any pair of pounds, just be careful and get out of the trade before the election, and just be extremely cautious. All right, let's start with Euro USD. I am in Euro USD, trading Euro USD. I'm shorting this trade, this pair, right here at 1.10772. I'm trading this off daily chart. The reason for that is this pair is been on a downtrend for a while, and it's just hit the trend line, and is it got rejected. Very simple. It's rejected, and I'm looking at 1.08. Like I said, I'm trading this off daily chart, so I hold it until I see it's hitting a very strong weekly or monthly support. That's for that. Let's look at Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, I made a mistake with this pair yesterday. I was shorting this pair right here. No, actually I was 28. I shorted this pair on 68.28, but I babysat there, I micromanaged it, and I decided to get out with a few pips loss, and look what happened. Overnight, the pair broke through, and right now is 20 pips in profit. If I had held this pair, which I didn't, which a reminder, do not babysit trades. Let life takes its natural courses, and either the stop loss will hit or the target will hit. So with all that said, let's look at Aussie yen. Aussie yen is another pair that is I like this pair. It trades very with prediction. You can trade. Uh, hold on. You can trade what you see on the chart, and it's not like other pairs that they will get affected with tweets and stuff like that. So with all that said, we are looking at a pennant pattern that right now it has been broken below it. So this pair is bearish as far as I'm concerned. So let me see. Hold on one second. Let me see if this is a good place to enter. Okay, let's see if we will have a pullback. Okay, I will wait for this pair to pull back to this zone right here, which will be the last resistance, and I will sell on a retest of the lower trend line. Okay, so I'm bearish on this pair, but I'm not entering a trade yet. I will wait for a pullback. All right, what else? Euro AUD also is very, very attractive. I did not enter this trade yet. Okay, this pair, let me show you. Zoom in. You want to see which trend you are in. You're bearish or bullish. Zoom in, the chart will tell you. Hold on a second. Let's draw this properly. Okay, we have this pair right here, and this trend line here. Okay, so we are bullish at the moment with this pair. As you can see, it has been breaking through every single trend line that it has created without any problem. Look at these bull bars just cutting through. So with all that said, let me go to the smaller time frame. Okay, so right now this pair is overbought. I will wait for the pair to come back down somewhere in this zone, which the support is there as well, and I will be a buyer in this zone, okay, which is 1.6220 to 1.6250. All right, that's for this pair. That's Euro AUD. We talked about Euro GBP, did we? No. Euro GBP, I'm a seller on this pair. And the reason I'm a seller is because it broke this pattern right here. Hold on one second. It broke the trend line, and this pennant right here, it faked out, it went up and then broke and came down, and I I sold it when it broke below this level. Right now he's trying to decide. Let me zoom in for you to see better. So green bar ignored, green bar ignored. Right now we are dealing with this red bar right here. If it breaks through this red bar, then red bar will be ignored, which will be bullish. I will close my trade, okay? But as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to stick around with this pair, and I'm looking to take profit. Hold on one second. Let's see. This is a new low for this. So the next support is 83.33, so 70 pips. All right, so let's zoom back in. Okay, so 83, that would be about 50 pips. I'll take that. And my stop loss is above this high, which is about 36 pips, so almost 2 to 1. All right, we talked about euro USD, pound dollar. This pair been bullish today. It has been breaking through this pennant a few days ago. Hold on. Actually, this was a flag. So broke through this and then been bullish since. However, I'm not touching this pair yet because of the election, because of the stuff that is happening in US. You know, the impeachment, the election in UK. It makes both currencies very, very sensitive to news. So I'm going to hold off to this. The only reason I will get into this pair that if I find a very, very good opportunity to trade this right now is right on the resistance. So we'll see. It's oversold, overbought, but McCade is not there yet. So no trade there. Pound franc. I'm also in pound franc. The reason for that is, hold on, let me get rid of this. The reason for that is that the pair reached a very, very strong resistance and it got rejected. So my risk is very low. I will be about, hold on. Actually, I'm trading this off daily, off hourly. Sorry about that. So I entered here. I bought this pair right here. My target is recent high. And my loss, I will place it below here. Not that I will take my loss here, I just wanted to be safe. I will take a loss if it breaks below recent low, which is 129.60. All right, that's for today. I'm in 4 trades. Euro USD, I'm a seller. Euro GBP, I'm a seller. Pound franc, I'm a buyer. Dollar dollar franc. Sorry, I didn't talk about that. Let me talk about that as well. Dollar franc, I am a buyer. The reason for that is the pair reach a support, a bounce back, is coming back up. Now, um, I'm thinking of taking target around 35 pips because I'm trading this off hourly, and my loss, my risk will be, I put it down here. It says 40, but it's not going to be 40. I will close it if it breaks below low of today. All right, so that's for today. One more time going through the trades. Euro USD, I'm a seller. Euro GBP, I'm a seller. Pound CHF, US CHF, and pound New Zealand, all three of them, I am a buyer. All right, good luck to all you. I hope you guys get some pips today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.